Oh, wait.
This isn't a game.
Then why am I winning?
You're impossible.
Possible with style!
Careful, floor's wet.
Only opposite glide.
That's not regulation.
It's recreation.
Don't even think about it. Thinking done.
Action.
Next.
You stole my last one.
That's justice. Sweet and powdered.
Don't touch that!
Too late. Fire in the hole.
Polly! No, no, ah! Polly!
Extinguish the boredom.
You drenched the whole station.
Mission accomplished.
Why are you in there?
Casework.
You're frozen solid.
Justice chills me.
You can't stay in here, buddy.
But the clues are fresh.
Oh, man.
You ruined the evidence!
It was Dusty.
It's supposed to be.
You're welcome.
Next time, mask up.
Stop editing my report. Guilty of boredom.
Very boredom. Very boredom.
You're fired.
Rehired, very boredom, and the 0 parts.
License and registration. Wait, that's my parrot.
Independent investigator, sir!
You stole my cruiser.
Borrowed for justice!
You can't just... Never mind. Step out of the vehicle.
Borrowed for justice! Lead on the seat, smuggler boss.
We're going to talk about this at the station.
Stop making confetti. Celebrating Paperwork Day.
You're unbelievable.
Believe it or sweep it.
Who opened the dusty box?
Evidence sneezed back.
You caused that.
Airborne investigation.
You're the only suspect.
We're proud of today's operation.
We found snacks!
That's not what I said.
But it's what people want to hear! Ha.
Keep it down, Polly.
Latte for undercover bird.
Okay.
Make it extra justice flavored. Every single time.
Keep lookout for trouble.
Trouble spotted. Reflection looks suspicious.
That's us in the water.
We're good-looking suspects.
Case closed.
Stop confusing dispatch!
All units, donut emergency.
That's not funny!
The bakery disagrees.
You're grounded.
How many chips have you taken?
I plead the snack amendment.
That's not real.
Then invent it.
Consider it under review.
Polly, close the window!
Copy that. Window open.
No, close!
Ah, too late.
Perfect timing.
You can't just live in there.
I'm a lost treasure.
You're definitely something.
Rare species. Sarcasm bird.
I'll file that under unclaimed comedy.
This is Rex's cage, not yours.
Call me Rex 2.0. No, please.
Rex actually works.
I supervise snacks.
Promotion denied.
Any questions?
Yeah, when's lunch?
Polly, focus.
Focusing on sandwiches.